In India, any game is great till the rich plays. Once poor started playing it, it becomes marriage, wedding, family, normal, useless. So the billiard and all is not a great game. Only just actually it's confined to some clubs, some entry fees. But if you open it to the poor, I think the game will be improved. The quality of the players will be excellent. But who is actually going to bail the cat? That is the biggest question. Anyhow, artificial intelligence is open up to the general public by Modi in Pragati Maidan. So let's hope, fingers crossed.